Hello guys, this is Ray from PAFX Limited, and today I'm going to show you guys an interesting method through which you guys can get more confirmation while trading USD related pairs. Last week in our VIP we followed this exact same method and caught nearly 200 plus pips from GBP USD only. Already feeling excited? So let's get right into it. While trading any USD related pairs, we always like to keep an eye on the dollar index, or aka DXY. Now looking at the dollar gives you more information and extra confirmation. Suppose if you are trading GBP/USD, you'll be looking for the opposite directional move in DXY. Now this can seem a little confusing, right? Okay, so don't worry, let's show you guys how to utilize DXY while trading USD related pairs. On January 4, we took this GBP/USD buy with just 36 pips stop loss. Now let's get into the chart. We have GBP/USD and DXY 1 hour chart in front of us. As we are looking for long in GBP/USD, we are going to find out if DXY is showing any kind of bearish sign in front of us. Now as we can see, GBP/USD cleared this sell side liquidity and also mitigated this 1 hour order block. So we can see bullish institutional order flow in GBP/USD. Later we can see price came back to this institutional candle and also mitigated it and showed bullish presence right after that. At this point, when we saw price tapping this 1 hour imbalance, we took this buy right away. Okay, no, wait. Here is what DXY is showing us. In 1 hour, DXY stop hunted this buy side liquidity, where GBP stop hunted this sell side liquidity and tapped into this 1 hour order block. Remember, DXY also did the same thing. This cleared out the buy side liquidity instead of the sell side liquidity and tap into this higher time frame 8 hour order block. And right after that, it showed bearish presence. And this also confirms our bullish move in GBP/USD. After getting all this confirmation, we shared this buy signal with our VIP clients. Now let's sit back and watch how it really moved. See, instant reaction from this imbalance. Now here we get this bullish break of market structure. So it confirms that price can come back and mitigate the origin of it and later give us another entry. So let's mark this 1 hour order block. And we'll be expecting price to come back to this level and give us another entry for buy. So here you can see price been consolidating and creating liquidity on both buy side and sell side. And boom, it tapped into this 1 hour order block. Now we shared this second buy signal with our PAFX VIP client also. As we can see, we had 2 entry on GBP/USD. With 26 pip stop loss, we shared this second entry with our VIP clients. Now let's see how it also turned out. And as you can see, price reacted from that 1 hour order block and gave us huge bullish move after that. As we have already caught 2 literal sniper entry on GBP/USD, we need to also find out where we will take profit. Now let's search for it. On higher time frame, we need to look for an area where we can see buy side liquidity is residing. And this is the area. As we can see, here is the area where we were looking to take profit because this high hold an immense amount of buy side liquidity. Now let's see if price was able to move up to this level and hit our target. And boom, cleared out all buy side liquidity. As we can see, we have closed both of our GBP/USD position with 108 plus pips and 88 plus pips. But just for showing you guys how powerful it can be, let's see the overall move GBP/USD gave us from this level. Literally from only 2 positions, GBP/USD moved close to 500 plus pips. Now 500 plus pips in a currency pair is an insane amount of pips. So this is one of the methods we use to trade in PAFX. We do all the charting and share the most probable setup and signal with you guys in both of our free and VIP channel. Currently, we have this NZD/USD free signal running in our free channel. Last week, we gained 805 plus pips in our VIP, with gold being the dominant in all of them. We have a great amount of expertise in gold. So if you are a gold lover, don't miss out this love we are sharing with you guys. Now we have given our Telegram channel link in description. So join us and experience the value we are sharing. Thank you very much.